action, drama, and fantasy. Yeah, same. I'm not copying you, but me too. I'm trying to put this way, guys. We will see what. Oh, if my face is changing. I'm trying. I don't know how to put. Wait, I don't know how to put. Oh my god, I don't know how to put it. I'm old already. I like this. How to put it this one? Oh my god, I don't know how to put. Where is it? I think you are 31 years old. You have kids. Yes, I have kids, of course. Oh, okay, like this? No way. How many children do you have? I have one. I have one daughter. Now it's mixed. I don't know how to put, guys. Oh, there is a thing that you must put on your head first, so it covers all your real hair, and then you put on the wig. Ah, really? So I will put this one. Okay. Okay, like this. Like this, Krisa. This is my first time to put her. I'm just trying only. I don't know the name of the thing. I don't know the name of the thing. There's have like this, Krisa, oh. But you know, there's have this something like this, oh. Hmm. It's like a bra. Strap of the bra. I don't know where may I put this one. I think where? I think this one. I don't help me, Krisa. This is the bangs. You know, ko, Krisa. I feel like crazy now. Oh my god.